So here is reason 38,364 of why I carry a multi-tool daily. So I drive an older car, I don't have navigation, don't have big screens and so on and so forth. And whenever I need to use navigation, I use my phone with this ugly thing that I got from a gas station, I think. You can put it right here on the vent. Which is pretty good because when the AC is on, the phone doesn't get so hot from doing all this work, but it messes my vents. Having a multi-tool, I can just stick it inside and pop the thing back on, and you notice something missing. Yeah, also from that. Not sure how I'm gonna do it with holding the phone with one hand, but I'm gonna try. And that's it. I used to do it by taking the thing off and pushing from behind, but a friend of mine told me that he makes his with his Leatherman, so yeah, thumbs up for the multi-tool, Gary.